Hello guys, welcome to tmotor project support. Today we are introducing the A8-X from tmotor. After the overall appearance, let's take a closer look at the product details. First, the front cover design at the top has been updated to a slightly inclined style, which not only improves the overall aesthetics but also optimizes the heat dissipation. Next, the dust-proof design below the steel ring has been upgraded to a mesh structure, further enhancing heat dissipation. It's worth mentioning that despite the mesh design, the product maintains a high waterproof and dust-proof rating, making it suitable for various environments. The rotor and dust cover are designed to optimize heat dissipation while maintaining high waterproof and dust-proof performance. Besides, the A8-X adopts an integrated design, significantly reducing overall weight and making maintenance and upgrades more convenient. It also features an upgraded 31-inch super-large propeller, which greatly improves flight efficiency. After examining the exterior design, we believe you'll be equally impressed with the product specifications. Let's take a look together. As we can see from the table, with the main parameters remaining unchanged, the A8-X weighs 100 g less than the A8. In addition, the A8-X supports multiple protocols such as Drone CAN, UAV CAN, and Cube CAN, as well as dual-channel control modes for PWM and CAN. To make things easier, we've prepared recommended configuration options for the A8-X. You can choose the most suitable setup based on your needs. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the relevant tests for the A8-X. Well, that's all for this video. If you'd like to see more tmotor products, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye!